Usually, we don't pay attention to the toothpaste we use until it's gone and we need to buy more, right? But taking care of our oral health doesn't necessarily mean buying the first toothpaste that you find in the grocery store. There are some natural ingredients that can help you take care of your oral hygiene without all of the dangerous side effects mass-produced products tend to have. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make toothpaste powder that you can use to brush your teeth, and that, in addition to cleaning, will help remineralize, protect, and even whiten your teeth. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of bentonite clay, sold in natural food stores or on the internet. 3 tablespoons of calcium carbonate powder, sold at pharmacies or natural food stores. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon or more of stevia. A few drops of mint essential oil. Before we show you how to prepare your natural toothpaste, here's why these ingredients are good for your oral health. Bentonite clay. Your mouth is the part of your digestive system that has the most contact with harmful bacteria. The bentonite clay binds to these bacteria and helps eliminate them. Not only does it clean your teeth, it's also able to transfer minerals and nutrients to your mouth and remove toxins and waste from your smile. Calcium carbonate. Like the clay, this mineral can be found in several rocks like chalk and limestone and helps in remineralizing the teeth by providing the calcium they need. Carbonate has the ability to remove stains from our teeth without being aggressive, as well as polishing and restoring them so they look healthier. Sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is a well-known ingredient due to its ability to whiten our teeth and remove stains. It serves as a mild abrasive agent that removes plaque and creates an alkaline environment in our mouth to help eradicate bacteria. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is one of the best natural ways to combat the bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease. Now that you know a little about the benefits of the ingredients, here's how to make the recipe. Begin by placing the bentonite clay in a small glass jar. Add the calcium carbonate powder and baking soda. Then put in the stevia and mix well. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil and mix again. To apply, wet your toothbrush and place the powder on top. Brush as you normally would, and don't forget to also use floss for a thorough cleaning. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.